we will learn chapter 2 definition. First definition, internet. Do you know what is internet? The internet is the global system of interconnected computer network that use the internet protocol to communicate between network and devices. Here there are two protocols are used to communicate between network and devices, TCP and IP. Second definition, packets. The computer splits the data into small chunks. It's called a packets. It means a computer split all the data into small chunks. So it is called packets. Header. Each packet also some extra information which is called header. Next definition, packet switching. Small units of data or packets are routed through a network based on the destination address contained within each packet. So is called a packet switching. LAN. LAN, it means local area network. So a local area network interconnect computers in a limited area such as a home, school, computer labs. So it is called a LAN connection. VLAN. A LAN that use radio signals to connect computer is called a VLAN. Wide local area network. Then VN means wide area network. A network which is geographically spread over large areas with links between computers is called a WAN. Here a network is spread over the large area with links between computers. So it is called WAN. Now 8. Network cable. A network cable is used to connect two computers to share a device. A cable which is used to connect two computers to share a device, so that it is called network cable. Next, network port. A port is a physical docking point using which an external device can be connected to the computer. So it is called a network port. With the use of network port, we connect our all cables into our network port. Next, TCP IP. The full form of TCP is Transmission Control Protocol, and IP means Internet Protocol. So Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol is a set of rules used to interconnect computers and communicate data on the internet. The use of TCP and IP are interconnect computers and communicate the data on the internet. Next, network address. A network address serves as a unique identifier for a computer on a network. It means a network address shares everyone unique identification for a computer. So it's called a network address. Hub. A hub is a networking device that provides a common connection point for multiple computers on a network. Switch. A switch is a networking device that filters and forwards data packets between LAN segments. Client computer. The computer that you use to access internet application is called a client computer. Then server. The information is usually stored on a powerful computer, so it's called a server. Next, UPS. The full form of UPS is uninterrupted power supply. UPS is an electrical device. It is used to protect the server from a power disruption by means of one or more attached battery and associated electronic circuit. It means if your light is off and that time the UPS start his work to supply power to the computer. Then firewall. A firewall blocks unauthorized connection being made to a computer or a LAN. It means the firewall protect an individual computer. A software firewall is built into the OS of the computer. The work of firewall is protect our system for a unauthorized connection. Encryption. Encryption is the process of converting data, plain text to ciphertext. Then decryption. Decryption is the process of converting encrypted data ciphertext to plain text. It means original form. Next, cipher. So, cipher is the code or the algorithm used in the encryption and decryption of data. A key. A key is the secret to the cipher, known only to the authorized people. Here your all definition are finished. You all are write it in your computer notebook. Then after I explain you exercise, but this exercise you can write in next lecture. But I just here explain you. To exercise question number 1. Fill in the blanks by using the option in a brackets. And brackets WAN, switch, printer, server, files, firewall, radio signals, router, LAN, clients, HTTPS and satellites. A. To set up networks, network cables, filling the blanks and filling the blanks are used. Here your answer is client, 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 server, SERVER, server and switch, SWITCH, switch. In a network, resources such as filling the blanks and filling the blanks can be shared. To hear your answer, files, FILES, files and printer, PRINTER. C. A wireless LAN use filling the blanks to connect computers. So here your answer radio signal. D. A network setup in a small office is called LAN. E. The internet is an example of WAN. F. A powerful computer that provides a service such as centralized file storage is called server. A computer that connects to the internet to fetch mails is called a client. H. Website that transfer information securely use filling the blanks so that the information is encrypted. Here your answer is HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. I. Filling the blanks is used to protect the computer from unauthorized use. Here your answer is firewall. FIREWALL. Question number 2. Identify and label the given parts of a network from this following brackets. Following label. Here your first picture. Do you know, students, what is this picture? Here first one is your firewall. FIREWALL. And the second picture was satellite. SATELITE. And third one, radio waves. RADIOWAVES. Radio waves. Fourth one, network cable. NETWORK. Network. CABLE. Cable. Then fifth one, server farm. SERVER. Server. FARM. Farm. Then next picture, it's our router. So here ROUTER. Then client. 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 Here you connect the connection of VLAN, and then after the other picture is web. So here I connect wireless tower to the one laptop and one mobile device. So it is our VLAN connection. Then next, this is our WAN connection. Here all server PC, all server, printer, computer, firewall, all are connected with switch. Then after, the laptop are connected with wireless devices, and they all are connected with ISP and internet. Question number 3. Complete the following diagrams of LAN, VLAN and WAN by drawing the missing hardware and connection. Then after, B, labeling the hardware, and C, labeling the client and server and making appropriate connection. Here I start to draw your connection. First PC I connect with LAN, then this other are connect with LAN, this computer are also connect with LAN, this printer are connected with this computer, and the server are also connected with LAN. You just watch it. Okay, so this is your LAN connection. Okay, now second, I draw here one server PC, okay, then I connect this server with switch. So this is our switch. You show this connection in your study material PDF. Here I just explain. Switch. So here the server PC are also connected with switch. The laptop are connected with switch. This laptop also connected with switch, and these VLAN are also connected with switch. So here your connection is VLAN. Okay, got it everyone? Then next. Here I show you WAN connection. This PC connect with router. This is connect with your ISP. This is connect with Wi-Fi connection. It is not properly drawing here, but you can watch from your study material, and it is also connected with this connection. So here this is your WAN connection. Okay. Next, here I show here I draw firewall. Okay, so this firewall is connected with switch, and this PC also connected with switch. This PC also connected with switch. Here this PC is also connected with switch, and this WAN is connected with ISP, and these ISP are connected with internet. Okay, here your connection is done. Now here 4 question. A cipher is given below with an example. Study it and answer the following. A. Encrypt your name using the given cipher and decrypt using the given cipher. 3143, 23, 53, 34, 44, 51 and 24. Here your plain text hello and your cipher text 32, 51, 133, 133, 43. अब आपको पता नहीं चला होगा कि कहाँ से ये cipher text आया. So look it in this table. For hello, I use hello. So in this table, first these 3 for H and 2. So here you put 32. For E, I put E51. So it is your E51. Then L. For L, you put 1, 3. Second L, you repeat put L, 1, 3. O, you put 4 and from this line you put 3. तो वैसे ही आपको अपने टेक्स्ट का साइफर प्लेन टेक्स्ट में से साइफर टेक्स्ट क्रिएट करना है. ठीक है, यहीं पे मैंने मेरे टेक्स्ट का साइफर टेक्स्ट में से प्लेन टेक्स्ट क्रिएट किया है. वो आपको स्टडी मटेरियल में मैं दिखा दूंगी. यू कैन शो इन योर study material. Just my name is Bharti. So for B, I put B and 1. My name is Bharti. So for B, I take B1. So here for B, 21. H. For H, I take 3, 2. Means 32. For A, I took 1, 1. So 1, 1, 11. For R, I took from this table 2, 4. So 24. A, I repeat took 1, 1. For T, I took 4, 4 from this table. So 4, 4. For I took 4, 2. So here my name for plain text Bharti and my cipher code is 32 11 24 11 44 42. You can watch from my study material. Then next, build a cipher of your own. This is a message and here your text. Here you can write your name and here you can cipher your code. So here I am writing just hello, how are you? So for hello, SVOOL, for how, SLD, for R, JIV, and for you, BFL. It is my cipher text. Thanks. Have a nice day. I hope you all are understand this exercise, and the next lecture I give you homework to write this exercise. Thanks. Have a nice day.